So I chose Verito because I actually acquired a firm, and then after a year, I've learned that our physical servers were expiring, and so I looked into the different options of how to replace the physical server, and obviously I didn't want to have to maintain a physical server, so I looked into doing a virtual or hosted server instead. A lot of people were recommending Verito because at the time we were using ProSeries and we were looking into going through UltraTax. So a lot of people who were using those two tax softwares were recommending Verito to host data. The transition to Verito was super easy. A lot of IT companies were telling me that it was going to take a lot of effort to migrate our data from the physical server over to a virtual environment. It did take a little bit of upfront work on my end just to kind of get everything saved, move everything to our OneDrive, but the actual transition and moving the applications that we were using day to day over to Verito was super easy. And we finished everything probably in like an hour or so with our initial call. So far, the service has been really good with Verito. We're rarely down. Anytime there's an issue, I call Verito and somebody picks up right away. Even installing another program, we had to install SurePrep, or we tried to install SurePrep to link up with our UltraTax software. SurePrep asked if somebody from our IT team can join because there was going to be an installation call, and somebody from Verito was able to join at the scheduled time and get everything installed properly. Yeah, so daily routine changed since moving to the cloud. Yes, I would say a lot of it is still actually similar, but some of the changes with the daily routine is that I'm able to actually easily log in from home in the mornings and in the evening. So a lot of time, as the business owner, I do prefer to work in silence at my house, like I am right now. So I typically would just log into Verito in the morning to knock out some of the key tasks I want to accomplish that morning. Then I'll go into the office and I'll be back right online if needed. And then in the evenings as well, when I'm no longer working with the employees in the office, I'll go home and I'll pick it back up, and everything is the same when I log in online through Verito. If you're considering to switch to Verito, I highly recommend it. Just set up a call. It's super easy. It's worked out really well for our firm, and I'm sure it'll work well for you. A lot of people online have been complaining about other kind of managed services through the big names like Thomson Reuters or Intuit. I'm very happy with Verito, and so is everybody else. I do recommend